Okay, welcome to a special Farms.com report. It's WASDE report day. It's the 2014 February USDA WASDE report. And it was a surprise. It was a surprise for both corn and wheat. It was kind of neutral to slightly bearish soybeans. Let's go through some of the numbers. So the USDA reported that corn ending stocks come in at 1.481 billion bushels. That was a big surprise. The market was only looking for a 1.6 billion bushel number versus last month at 1.63 billion bushels. So that was a drop of 150 million bushels versus last month. It was also 139 million bushels lower than the pre-report estimates. The low end of the estimate range was 1.574 billion, and it came in even lower than that. So corn has rallied into this report. Today it looks like maybe most of this news has been priced in, but it's definitely going to add and support this rally going forward. Many were surprised by the number. Probably need a higher close today to get some further momentum to keep this rally going. 13-14 soybean ending stocks came in for old crop at 150. The market's going to be a little bit disappointed with this number. The market was looking for 143 million bushels. USDA did increase exports a little bit on the beans, but not as much as earlier thought. By the way, on the corn, the USDA did increase the corn exports by 150 million bushels to 1.6 billion. That was more than expected. So look to soybeans probably topping out here at this 1350, 1314 resistance for old crop. Probably going to put a peak in for new crop as well at the 1130 per bushel mark as well. For wheat, it was also a surprise for wheat. Market was looking for ending stocks to come in at 600 million. Last month we were at 608, and the number came in at 558 because the USDA did increase exports up to 1.175 billion, up 50 million bushels from last month. Last week we had that update from the USDA crop summary report where the winter wheat conditions in the U.S. fell sharply, and that sparked a short covering rally. We expect this report to add to that short covering rally. The funds are still short about 52,000 plus contracts. So look for that momentum to continue in the wheat futures market. If you're watching this and you've never heard of us or you want to try our program, we provide a free 8-week trial subscription, no obligation, risk-free. It's an email program, a daily email. There's also a market quote text messaging program as well. I know we can add value to your marketing plan. We called the bottom in corn on January 10th. We called the change in trend in corn last week, as well as beans and wheat. We also called the bottom in wheat here in the last week or so. So check out the links below on the video, and we'll talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. Take care.
This video is brought to you by Farms.com Risk Management, where we provide leading grains and livestock commodity marketing advice and services. Sign up for a free trial of our marketing recommendations and newsletters.